gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Gorgeous, you're welcome. Hope you're doing well. Compliment of the season. So today guys, I am revealing this hair from Cheetah Beauty Hair. This hair is curly and it's 20 inches. You can see the hair is popping. I'm going to leave all the information about this hair on the description box, the direct link to this one and some other wigs they have in their website. Thank you Cheetah Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. And guys, remember I told you guys I want to teach you how to draw traffic to your YouTube channel. So if you want to know how to draw traffic to your YouTube channel, I'm going to leave the link to my Instagram right here. So DM me on Instagram if you are interested, so I will tell you what you need to do to draw traffic to your YouTube channel. I know it is not easy. Everyone is struggling. I want everyone to enjoy 2021. Yes, I want you to smile. I want to show you that trick, that thing people are not telling you the truth about it, what and what they do to draw traffic, to get views, to get subscribers, everything you need to know about it. DM me on my Instagram, yes, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do to draw that traffic to your YouTube channel. Yes, gorgeous, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Yes, join the gorgeous family. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button. And I will see you guys very soon. Merry Christmas. Bye. La, 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 la.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. till now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we